Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making Swedish cream. What is Swedish cream? Basically, it's sour cream and heavy cream, and that's pretty much it. You can sweeten it with sugar or honey if you like. It's optional. You can add some liqueur in there if you like. Amaretto. I'm adding Bailey's in mine. Should make it lots of fun and interesting. Goes on top of berries, could go on top of pies or cakes or whatever you like. I have made Strawberries Romanoff before, and that was a much sweeter version. This one is not. It is Swedish. No sugar. Well, only if you want. I was inspired by this song. Swedish cream, so delicious. We're gonna make it right now. Oh yeah, we are. Heavy cream. Beat until soft peaks. Sour cream. Fold that sour cream in to the rest of the whipping cream. Add in your sugar now or your liqueur. Fold in again. Add some cream right on top of those lovely blueberries. All right, take a look at this lovely Swedish cream on top of some berries. Notice versus the Romanoff cream, this is very white in appearance, almost like a crème fraîche. So let's take a taste all by itself. You get the softness of the heavy cream and that sour cream adding a little bit of tang to it. And then you're getting that Bailey's sort of coming in and adding an extra punch. Yummy. Let's try it with some berries. It's really nice and light tasting, even though it has all that heavy cream and sour cream in it. It just is light, fluffy, and it's not as sugary as the Romanoff. Don't get me wrong, I love that Romanoff cream, but this serves a different purpose. It's just delightful and light all by itself. If I can make the Swedish cream for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. This was so simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so very much more.